all y'all here today. Wendy's very fired up. She does a very good job speaking, and I appreciate that about her. This is District Court Judge race, and as you know, Judge Leach is retiring, and Wendy and myself are trying to fill that particular seat. Most of you already have your minds made up on who you're going to support in this race. Some of you are supporting Ms. Hazelton, and some of you have supported me, and that's great. If for whatever reason there are any undecided voters here for the District Court Judge race, I want your support. I have worked as a defense lawyer for the last 13 years, and during that time I've been in front of judges who I didn't feel like let me have a day in court in front of my clients. One of the things that I promise you, if I serve as District Court Judge, is I will let you present your cases, I will let you present your evidence, I will let your clients have their day in court, I will treat them fairly and impartially. Secondly, not only will I treat your clients fairly and impartially, but I'm going to work hard for you. I've been in private practice the last 13 years, and I know that it's not easy working on this side of the aisle. Haley, I apologize, but yeah, prosecutors work hard too. You know, my brother's a prosecutor, so. But I know what it takes to prepare a case. I know what it takes to spend a weekend or a week or 2 weeks preparing for a trial that may or may not take place on Monday morning, may or may not get to throughout the course of a week. And so I understand those things, and I know the time and effort that it takes to be a defense lawyer. I also know that you know, we have, as defense lawyers, we have several places that we need to be at one time. You're supposed to be in this superior court. You're supposed to be in district court over here in Pitt County. You're supposed to be in court over in Martin County, and in court over Edgecombe County. So I certainly sympathize with those things as well. I believe we need judges who are going to work hard to treat people fairly, also work hard to treat the community fairly, the bar fairly, and since our judges left, I guess I can say this, but you know, well, I guess you guys are here, right? But since all of our local judges left, I have been in front of judges who I felt like didn't treat me very fairly, and so not that any of you have ever do that, but I want to be a judge where you feel like you're going to get a fair shake, where you're going to have the opportunity to present your cases, where I'm going to listen to your arguments. I'm not going to be reading the newspaper while you're doing your closing arguments. I've had that happen before. And so if you haven't made up your mind, I certainly would appreciate your vote. And if you have made up your mind and you're supporting me, I need to see you for Election Day. We've got a lot of stuff to do. So. Thank you all.